Ownice T-Box Tutorial, Wireless Android Auto. Here's Ownice T-Box and its power cord. Plug in to power it up. Pairing Bluetooth between phone and T-Box. Go to Bluetooth page of your phone. Click Pair New Device. Click TSL, then click Pair. Wait a few seconds. Your phone will go through interface switching, and then pop-up notification Android Auto is available. Connecting T-Box Wi-Fi on Tesla screen. Go to Tesla Wi-Fi list and tap TSL. Enter password 128 and confirm. Wait for the green icon indicating connected. Then tap Wi-Fi settings below. Make sure to tick Remain Connected in Drive. Now go to Tesla browser. Enter URL autoaibox.link. We can see Android Auto is on. Add to favorite for quick access next time. Let's take a quick look of the Android Auto interface. Tap Exit icon to enter T-Box link page. And the Settings button is on top left. About the instructions on Settings page, please refer to my other video. Pairing Bluetooth between Tesla and phone. Go to Tesla Bluetooth page. Tap Connect Phone and then start search. Go to Bluetooth page on the phone. Tap the phone on Tesla Bluetooth list to pair. Click Pair, then click Allow when it pops up. Turn on Priority Device on Tesla Bluetooth page. Wait till it shows connected. Go back to Android Auto by switching to Tesla browser. Audio switch tips. Tesla has different audio sources. Using other Tesla apps may cause Android Auto no sound. Just switch to Bluetooth to regain the sound.
Oh, nice!